So guys, this is the most difficult task. Guys, the hard bitter truth. The psychology. Guys, it's really difficult. Trust me. The psychology that umbrellas discipline, that umbrellas patience, that umbrellas risk management. The psychology that umbrellas sticking to one rules and staying consistent with it. Maintaining regardless of emotions. Guys, is the hard truth. But we keep pushing, trust me. We keep pushing. So now let's get to the video. So guys, it's August 6th, 11:22. As you can see, I don't know if you guys could see it, 11:22. So today I will just be talking about the reflections over the journey. I'm not where I want to be, right? But the progress, the growth, I want to speak on it. So when you are in the Forex market, when you are trading the Forex market, it is you against your mind. It is you against trying to stay focused. It is you against ignoring the noise. It is you against ignoring whatever thing that has been filtered by you. It is you against the environment. It is you against your discipline. It is you against staying humble regardless of every situation. It is you against enduring the emotions. It is you against you, guys. We would just be reflecting based on what I have experienced my journey past this years of trading Forex market. It has been one that has taken a whole lot of toil and one that has asked for too much. I wouldn't even know if it is asking for too much than I can give, but I am here, right? So I believe I can do it. I believe I do not succumb my flesh against my mind, right? And I want to stand to let you know for free that it is a game that you can get those wins. It is a game you can stay consistently profitable, right? It goes from a stage of understanding where you are, understanding the purpose, why you are in there, getting to manage the trail, controlling the trail in different waves as you journey, and progressing to getting profitable, and finally staying disciplined, which establish consistent profitability. So those are the turmoils you would undergo, and it is one that can take a toll on you. It is one that, if not managed well, if not well taken care of, it can destroy. So well, I'm here to tell you that you can actually do it. I'm here to tell you that you just need to stay focused, and trust me, you will get some progress as you journey. You have to stick with the right information. You have to understand the broad patterns that work. I've constantly talked about understanding the market structure, and that is very important. Please understanding the market structure. The story and the notion of the trend is your friend. It is actually real, guys. You have to understand the trend. I haven't fully understood it, so don't take it for my word or my words for it. You have to see it for yourself to believe that I'm actually saying what is actually applicable. Understanding the trend, it's really one you should put your mind into. It's one you should try to establish in the first step. When a baby tries to walk, he first of all tries to want to stand, stay in balance and standing before taking that step. So staying balanced and standing is understanding fully the market structure, where price is going to be drawn to, and where price is headed to. So those are the broad patterns that works, right? Regardless of whatever strategy, is the broad pattern that works, and I want you guys to stay focused on it, please. So aside that, you move on to getting to know the liquidity, getting to know other blocks, getting to know price action basically, and stuff like that. So but the broad pattern first, please. The broad pattern, which is the market structure. So I am in on a series, right? I try to take a challenge with the program. So I would like to join it with you guys. So this is the account. I don't know if you can see it. This is the account. So uh, it's a 6K account, and as you see, I'm in drawdown. But like there's a trade I've entered that is showing profit, Euro NZD. I'll quickly take you on my thought process on why I took that buy on Euro NZD and what I'm anticipating it for. And this video basically is just to reflect over what I have known in terms of your mindset check, in terms of your psychology, in terms of wanting to get this done and get it done in the right way. Mentorship helps, right? Understanding what works for you helps. Understanding who you are helps too. So it is something that you need to. Frustration, guys, it's going to eat up on you. It's going to eat up on you. As of this moment, I'm talking to you. I am really, really here to speak the truth, basically. Here to let you guys know that it's not. It's not as you think. You have to structure your mind. You have to rewind your mind to what you need to see. You have to train your eyes and your mind to be fixated on something. Stay patient to see how that thing plays out. Over and over again, I tell people for free, stick to one strategy that has been confirmed to work after being journaled, and stay and play it out. Play it out with whatever rules you've given yourself. I am not doing it 100%. I am not doing it. You can be better than I am. You can share your own stories, comments on the post, and letting me know what you think, right? Letting me know how you are able to surpass those emotions. In that way, we can help each other. In that way, we can grow as a community. But I'm here because I value you guys. I'm here because I want to see you guys grow. And so that is the reason why I am being persistent on some things, making emphasis on some things, right? I am not exactly where I want to be. I know that I have progressed from just entering the market based on precedence, or entering the market based on vibes, or entering the market based on little knowledge, or entering the market not exactly knowing what this is all about. Entering the market not understanding the trail, and entering the market not understanding that price moves from range to range. Entering the market not understanding that the trend they say is your friend is quite important in your success and journey. Entering the market just based on whatever little or no knowledge I have, and I progress from all those stages to now seeing that price actually moves from range to range in correspondence with your time frame. And so with that now I tell myself, oh, if price is here at this particular time frame, with this particular time frame, where is it likely to draw to or to head to? What are the bases that I have used to structure my confluence in regards to my strategy? Now, those bases are the market structure. So over and over again, I would keep stating this so that it sinks into your head or your ear. It hasn't synced well enough for me. I'm still on the process, and so you can be better, right? So I would take you guys on the thought process on why I took this Euro NZD, and I'll be showing you guys more series on the particular accounts, how I passed the phase 1 and phase 2. I would also take you guys on the obstacles, the mistakes that I made, some fear of missing out trades that I've placed. Just be plain about it, right? But for here, I'm just here to talk about the reflect over the whole journey and make you understand that you can do it, you can do it, you can do it. Stick to the process, understand the plan, follow the plan, execute the plan, and your goal would show out. I haven't gotten there right, but please don't make the same mistakes I am making. Don't do that, right? So now let's get down to the chat. So guys, just as like I said, I'm going to be explaining why I took a buy on Euro NZD. So I'm going to map it out exactly what I see or I saw that made me take a buy, right? So now I can see that let me get to the 4 hour basically, because that was where I saw those zones, and so I can see that there is a recent break in price on Euro NZD here, right? A recent break in price. So I'll call this the break of structure. Let me label it so that you understand what I'm talking about. Yeah, break of structure. And then I notice how price consolidated of this whole region. and impulsively caused a break, right? So just before this um, swing high was taken out, there was a consolidation of the zone and price boom, strong momentum. This is 4 hour, right? And now I get down to the 1 hour to see what price actually did there. What is the what engineered that break of structure after that consolidation? So I got my zone to be this. I wouldn't be explaining exactly. Some people might call this other block and breaker block or whatever. But I'm more into the supply and demand zones and how price reacts off of those zones or where price is coming up from during those um, moments. It breaks the high or breaks the low, as the case may be. So I see this zone and I stretch it out, right? Now I want to refine the zone. And if you can see, there's also a break here of this high. So price broke this high. Now to refine this zone, I put it down. So I'm basically just refining the zone. As just like I said before, um, why we go over the whole videos and the journey through the process of how we become profitable and how we stay consistently profitable, because becoming profitable is one thing, staying consistent is another thing. Staying consistent has to be involved with the psychology, which is what a whole lot of traders like you and I are going over, trying to pass or break the code and stick to what works for us and stay at it. So now as I see this, I know that let me just draw out some since I look out. I would likely call this a liquidity, whereas I want to see price reach out for. So I'll label them. And then I place the bar here and extended it far beyond. So as you can see, price played out this high at 1 to 4, but I extended it really far beyond, and um, I was thinking price there should be a continuation going forward, but you can see price actually still came down. Price just cleared that high and came down, so we are off on this particular point in price. So that's basically why I took the buy, right? And then that is it. So guys, that is it. So if you find this video helpful, you find it something that you can relate to, do where to like and share and subscribe, guys. I would see you guys on another video whenever I drop a new video. So turn on your post notification bell to be notified.